If you're stressed out about your mathematics final, you're not alone. I am too.
That finish line is so close you can see it. You're almost there. Keep going.
You don't need luck before finals. If you've been going to class and you've been studying, you know everything you need to know to be successful.
Just don't forget, sleep well, take your vitamins.
Do it! Just do it!
And remember, whether it's a multiple choice, fill in the blank, or essay question, the correct answer is always Chuck Norris.
All right, T-Bird Nation, 4 pieces of final exam advice from a professor. Number 1, don't cram. Start studying now. Be prepared.
Don't let your dreams be dreams. Yesterday, you said tomorrow. Stop giving up.
Number 2, don't stay up all night.
Visualize success, or maybe even B.
In the words of Tupac, keep your head up. Ooh, child, things are gonna get easier.
Number 3, eat a great breakfast the morning of your exams.
Just remember, once you finish with your finals, you can sing out of key like me.
Ooh, child, things are gonna get brighter.
I'm dreaming of a white.
Finals are making my hair stand on end.
So what's the worst part about ancient history class? The teachers tend to babble on.
There's a fine line between the numerator and the denominator. Only a fraction you will understand.
What do you call an acid with a behavior problem? Amino acid.
Why do cows wear bells? Because their horns don't work.
Just do it!
Good luck on your finals!
Number 4, just breathe. You got this.
You've got this. You've totally got this.
Happy testing.
You got this, buddy.
You can do this. We're behind you.
Good luck on finals!